Friction, the resistance to moving your design forward. It's the hassle associated with email threads, the struggle of installed CAD viewers, and the worry of sharing an uncontrolled copy of a design. With Cloud Services, you can remove the friction and share your designs with anyone you choose with just a link. Whether it's suppliers or outside engineering consultants, it's easy to indicate who you want to share with and the type of feedback you're looking for. When you're done, an email is sent letting them know your design is ready to be viewed. With no viewers to install, suppliers can access the design right in their web browser. Markups can be added to communicate new design ideas, and comments capture the feedback to be referenced later. As others add feedback, their markups can be viewed by simply clicking the preview. The best part, you never have to leave SOLIDWORKS. As comments are added, you're notified and can review the feedback right in the task pane. When it comes time to update the design, you can either remove access to the old share to avoid confusion, or update the existing share with the new changes. Either way, you control access to your designs. And if you need to share your drawings, standard formats like PDF, DWG, and DXF are all available. Remove the friction associated with traditional design sharing tools and move your design forward with Cloud Services, available with new and upgraded SOLIDWORKS subscriptions.